Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to turn on the auto pickup functions on the Free Fire application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone, start playing, and then click on the settings option at the top in the left side of the screen. Then you should click on the auto pickup option in the left side column, and here you have a bunch of options in the default section, such as weapons that you can turn on, armor and backpacks, medkits, ammo, attachments, grenades, special equipment, even items, and auto pickup speed. So tap on the on button, thereby turning on the auto pickup functions of these aspects. That's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.